So for the last more than a year on Twitter, every day when you log on, there is one consistent hashtag which has been trending. Every day. The words change, the phrases change, the terminology changes, but it is regarding one thing always. Sushant Singh Rajput. I kid you not, come hail, storm, shine, floods, COVID, coronavirus, whatever happens, Sushant Singh Rajput is trending on Twitter each and every day. SSR, we love you. Sushant Singh Rajput forever. Sushant Singh the best. Sushant suicide not Sushant not suicide but murder. Sushant's killers should be caught, etc. Today it was, now they are reaching new levels. Today it was Nupur ma'am, please update on Sushant case. So I was like, who is this? Then I saw Twitter, and this person has been tagged who happens to be some IPS officer, but she hasn't tweeted since after 2020 end. So I don't know if she's seen these messages, but probably she is. On Mother's Day, they actually form their hashtags according to certain days also, and they change it according to that. You are not going to believe what I'm going to say next, but on Mother's Day 2 days back, the trending hashtag for this topic was Maa Ka Dulara Sushant, all in capital letters in case you have weak eyesight and you don't see it. Now, I think most of us were pretty shocked when the SSR death happened. But I don't understand, is there a team behind this? Is there an organization behind this? Who is doing these kind of tweets and retweets? What are they going to achieve with this? I really don't know, because the one thing which I do know was that a report had been found a few months back saying that 80,000 Twitter accounts had been formed just to malign the Mumbai Police Department regarding this SSR case, and also just generate tweets and whatnot.